Okay, so on last night's homework, we're on the second to the last page, the middle one. So it's C3H2 plus O2 yields carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so how many carbons do we have on the reactant side? We have 3. How about on the product side? We have 1. How about H's? We have 2 H's on the left and 2 H's on the right. Oh, my bad. I copied it wrong. And then O's. How many O's do we have on the left? 2. And on the right? There's 1 here and 2 here. We have 3. Okay? So let's start with carbon. Let's balance carbon. How do we balance the carbon? We put a 3 right here. What does that change? That changes my carbon to a 3, and my oxygen is 6 plus 1, so my oxygen is at 7 now. Any questions on that first step? Okay, next. My hydrogen, I need 4 in front of this one in order to make this an 8, but that also changes my oxygen. I have 6 here and 4 here, so my oxygen becomes 10. That's my second step. Any questions on my second step? And then my last step, my C's are balanced, my H's are balanced, my O. My oxygen, I am going to need 5 of these in order to make 10 of these. And then we're done. Check to make sure everything's balanced. We have C3, O10, 6 plus 4, and we have 8 hydrogens, 8 hydrogens.